Windows Live Messenger 8.5 and all the other versions of Windows Live Messenger MSN. So what you do is you just go to escargot, you go to this link, and then you will see this, and there's a bunch of information like the patch statuses and stuff like that. But all we need is just first to create an account, which I already have one, but you just need your email, then a password that is 6+ characters long, and then you just re-enter that password, and then you can press this to get support for MSN 1.2 and 4. And then once you've done that, you can go to downloads and then choose your language. So I'll go to English, and then I'd recommend just getting this one right here because that'll be pre-patched, and so it can be used, and it's the latest 8.5 that is pre-patched. You can get one of these and then go follow this guide on how to patch it, which you can read all of that, but I don't want to read that. And then there's some extra stuff like MSN Plus Live and rich presents for Discord. And then you'll get, it won't be this like this, you'll get some prompts to log in and stuff like that, and then you'll just have a default account. And then if you've ever used Windows Live Messenger or MSN before, they should look fairly familiar to you. But if you haven't, there's this change your color scheme. So orange. Now everything's orange. And then if you go up here, you can change display picture to anything you want. If you go to here, you can change your status to like in a call or be right back. You can view your contact card, which is just like a little card that has information about you. Then you can go to options, which has even more options, such as your username, your personal message, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then you can see I've already got some contacts, but what you need to do is, first of all, you would have to have something like some friends on Discord, like this. Like I have all these friends. And then the ones that actually have the Windows Live Messenger, what you can do is they will tell you your instant messaging address, and then you just put that in and then press add contact, and boom, you've got them in your, and then yeah. With this Plus Live thing, I already went through the installation process, but it just has a whole bunch of configuration options and stuff like that. I just went for default, and well, I just put on event viewers so I can see when people like sign out, change their status to busy, or when they change their personal message or something like that. Yeah, stuff like that. Well, I just closed that. Why did I do that? I don't think I can really get that back. But okay, that's fine. Wait, plus? Yeah, display event viewer. And that's pretty much how you get this Windows Live Messenger and MSN on your computer in 2020 Windows 10.